Hey guys, my name is Freya Gore. I'm the first ever winner of the Drag Me Up competition here in Paris. Today I'm gonna show you how to create my Judas wife look, so evil but glamorous at the same time. For my drag, I'm really inspired by mythology and cinema. So the first thing I want to do is reshape my face to play with intensity and shadows, going from a masculine face like this to a feminine and fishy look. For the eyes with my drag, I really enjoy to play with color and intensity. I play with red and black for this look, which are my favorite colors ever. If you think men shouldn't ever wear makeup, well, it's your opinion and I respect it, but I'm gonna keep it that way, so greetings to the haters. And now let's go with the highlight. I'm not playing. I want you to be able to see yourself into my cheekbones right here. For the lips, I'm using a typical red glamorous color. So, the video is over. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. My name is Freya Gore. You can find me on Instagram at Freya_Core, K-O-R. And see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, my name is Freya.